Playing badminton is fun? Did you know Puna was the first name of badminton? The game of badminton originated in Siam, China, over 2,000 years ago. Warm-up can help increase flexibility and improve performance. Playing badminton helps in diminishing weights and excess fats, improve muscle strength. It helps to boost your metabolism rate. It helps to reduce stress, improves mental agility, improves social interaction, and the heart starts functioning properly. The life is better with badminton. Watch us win it!